Different types of networks. Based on the size of the span of the networks, the computer network can be divided into a few parts. These are PAN. This stands for Personal Area Network. In a PAN, the devices, which can be computers, mobile phones, printers, hubs, etc., are kept within a radius of few meters from each other. The devices involved in PAN can be connected to each other using cable or wireless links, as in Bluetooth. Some actions we can have with PAN is sharing of songs from a mobile to another via Bluetooth. We may also transfer songs from a laptop to a mobile. LAN. LAN stands for Local Area Network. This type of network spans about a kilometer. This is usually installed in a company building, school, or campus. LAN consists of central server that is connected to several other computing devices. Sometimes each computer lab in a school has separate LANs. MAN. MAN stands for Metropolitan Area Network. This type of network spans about a few kilometers. This type of network is installed in different branches of an office in the same city. WAN. WAN stands for Wide Area Network. This type of network may span thousands of kilometers and can encompass the entire world. The Internet is considered to be a network of computers in the world and called as WAN. Evidently, WAN can span countries and even continents. CAN. CAN stands for Cluster Area Network. It is a network spanning multiple LANs but smaller than a MAN, such as on a university or local business campus. It is also known as Campus Area Network. No more. When two or more networks are connected, they become an internet or work as internet. Various terms related to internet. Intranet. An intranet is a type of private network accessible only to an organization's staff. It is a local or restricted communications network, especially a private network created using World Wide Web software. URL. It stands for Uniform Resource Locator. It is the unique address of a web page. The URL is typed into the address bar of the browser to open the web page. ISP. ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. Airtel, Reliance Communications, BSNL, MTNL, Aircel are some internet service providers in India. This is a company that allows customers, companies, businesses to connect to internet. You have to pay the cost of the internet line to the ISP. IP address. This specifies numbers separated by dots to specify the address of the computer according to TCP or IP. An example of IP address could be 45.79.151.25. An Internet Protocol address is assigned to each device in a network that uses IP, Internet Protocol for communication. DNS, the Domain Name System. DNS is a hierarchical naming system used to provide host names for computers or any other resource connected to the Internet or a private network. This can be understood in a tree manner. Each node in a tree has a label and a domain name. A full domain name is a sequence of labels separated by dots. Here, maria.es.colorado.edu is a full domain name. Some of the domain labels are labels, description, com, commercial organizations, edu, educational institutions, gov, government institutions, info, information service providers, mil, military groups, org, non-profit organization. Short for Domain Name System or Domain Name Service, a DNS is an internet or network server that helps to point domain names or host names to their associated Internet Protocol address. Without a DNS, to resolve a domain name or the proper rights, users would have to know the IP address of each of the web pages or computers you wanted to access. Web page. Web pages are the building blocks of the Internet. It is made up of HTML code, and web browsers can read the information of web pages. A web page usually contains links called hyperlinks to other pages that link it to other web pages. Website. A website is a group of interrelated web pages related to a single organization, cause, institute, etc. The introductory or first web page of a website is known as a home page. Web portal. A portal is an idea of a website or service that offers a broad range of services such as email, games, codes, search, news, stocks, etc. The idea of a portal or web portal is to offer such a wide range of commonly accessed services that visitors are more likely to visit more often. The Yahoo homepage is a good example of a portal that gives visitors access to all the places and the news that are most popular. Modem. It is a computer network device that changes digital signals to analog signals and also analog signals to digital. The term modem is taken from modulator, demodulator. It is essential for a computer to connect to the Internet. No more. There are two versions of IP address, IPv4 and IPv6. Fact: DNS, Domain Name System, was introduced by Paul Mockapetris and John Postel in 1983.